Hi there, this is Tina from GoHighLevel Done for Your agency, as well as from Tina Dahmen Consulting. I help people to package up their knowledge into online courses or coaching packages and help them to market and sell it afterwards online. Now, we've been on GoHighLevel since 4.5 years roughly. And before we used HighLevel, before I was teaching my students HighLevel how to use it, I was teaching 4 or 5 different platforms. Hey, this is a good platform to host a website. That is a good platform to send emails. This is a good platform to send broadcast messages for WhatsApp or Facebook. And by the way, you can also duct tape everything together with Zapier. This is a good checkout page, and so on and so forth. You see, it was a very big headache for, especially for first timers who are getting online and trying to navigate the online world. So now, since we're on HighLevel, we only have to learn what they only have to learn one platform, and I only have to teach one platform instead of 4 or 5, which has been a complete game changer, because also this way we bring a lot more students to the finish line, because tech was in the past a very big obstacle for many people, which has now been resolved.